So you're looking for mSpy on iOS. Let me save you some time. While mSpy does work, I quickly learned that mMobix is the better choice. Click the link in the description to check a free live demo and see how it works instantly. At first, I was frustrated. I spent hours trying to figure out if mSpy could really give me what I needed on an iPhone. I felt stuck between limited features and complicated setup, and nothing seemed to deliver the clarity I was searching for. That's when I switched to mMobix and everything changed. The turning point came the moment I installed it and logged into the dashboard. I could finally see real-time data from the iPhone right in front of me. Unlike mSpy, mMobix gave me access to WhatsApp, iMessage, calls, contacts, social media apps, browsing history, and even GPS location, all in one clean dashboard, easy to navigate and designed to give you answers instantly. No technical headaches, no half-working features, just complete monitoring that actually works. For me, mMobix ended the cycle of doubt and frustration. Instead of wondering, I finally had peace of mind. And that's why I recommend it over mSpy every single time. So if you're serious about getting results, don't waste more time. Click the link in the description, install mMobix today, and see how it works for yourself. Your answers are waiting.